ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। हरिः ॐ। ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। श्रुतिस्मृतिपुराणानाम् आलयं करुणालयं नमामि भगवत्पादशङ्करं लोकशङ्करं। शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं वादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। सच्चिदानन्दरूपाय विश्वोत्पत्त्यादिहेतवे तापत्रयविनाशाय श्रीकृष्णाय वयं नुमः। समस्तजनकल्याणे निरतं करुणामयं नमामि चिन्मयं देवं सद्गुरुं ब्रह्मविद्वरं। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णुः गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः। गुरुः साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। Hari Om to everyone else. Today we will first chant from the first sloka to sixth sloka, then seventh sloka we will discuss today. Na tato na mata na bandhur na napta na putro na putri na bhrityo na bharata न जाया न विद्या न वृत्तिर्ममैव गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि। भवाब्धावपारे महादुःखभीरुः प्रपन्नः प्रकामे प्रलोभे प्रमत्तः कुसंसारपाशप्रबद्धः सदा गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि। न जानामि दानं च ध्यान च ध्यानयोगम् न जानामि तन्त्रं न च स्तोत्रमन्त्रं न जानामि पूजा न च न्यासयोगं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि न जानामि पुण्यं न जानामि तीर्थं न जानामि मुक्तिं लयं वा कदाचित् न जानामि भक्तिं व्रतं वापि माता गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि कुकर्मी कुसंगी कुबुद्धिः कुदासः कुलाचारहीनः कदाचारलीनः कुदृष्टिः कुवाक्य प्रबन्ध सदाहं गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि प्रजेशं रमेशं महेशं सुरेशं दिनेशं निशीथेश्वरं वा कदाचित् न जानामि चान्यं सुराणां शरण्ये गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि. Now, seventh sloka. विवादे विषादे विवादे विषादे प्रमादे प्रवासे प्रमादे प्रवासे जले वानले जले वानले पर्वते शत्रुमध्ये पर्वते शत्रुमध्ये अरण्ये शरण्ये अरण्ये शरण्ये सदा मां प्रपाहि सदा मां प्रपाहि गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि. So from the first together, विवादे विषादे प्रमादे प्रवासे जले वानले पर्वते शत्रुमध्ये अरण्ये शरण्ये सदा मां प्रपाहि गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि गतिस्त्वं गतिस्त्वं त्वमेका भवानि. शरण्ये हे प्रपन्न पालिके हे विपद भंजिनी हे दयालु हे कृपालु हे सर्व सुखदायिनी हे सर्व क्लेश हारिणी माम टू मी मुझको विवादे विषादे. Vivad means to grieve. Vivad means to conflict. You know, Vad is three kinds. Vad, Samvad, and Vivad. So, Vivad means when nobody is listening to nobody's. Everyone, when wants to establish their logic, their argument, that is called Vivad. Nobody is ready to listen to others. Vada means only one person talks and everyone listens, either willingly or forcefully. And Samvad means when both the parties talk each other. So in Bhagavad Gita, it is Samvad. So their conversation, healthy conversation, when both the parties are willing to listen to each other, to justify each other, that is Samvad. But here in Vivad, our ego may win, may not, but we definitely lose. We lose our relationship. We lose our love. We lose our compassion. We lose our heart. We forget everything else. We become deluded. When two persons or many more persons quarrels and fight with each other, they forget to justify others. You just see, भीड़ में भेड़ रहता है. You are too much blessed that you, maximum of you, live in Bengal for many years. So we know Michil. And what happens, what is the resultant of all those accumulated work? Only destruction, destruction, destruction. So in Vivad, we forget our nature, forget our everything else. Vishad, shok, grief. There also our ego wins. And we lose our potentiality. That is why in Bhagavad Gita it is named as first chapter Arjuna Vishad Yoga. The best warrior on this time was Arjuna. He could fight against thousands of people alone. Such like warriors out of grief were told, Sidanti mamagatrani. I'm trembling, I'm shivering. जिन्होंने युद्ध देखकर बड़ा हुआ, who has grown out of seeing the fight, because they were warriors, kshatriya. They always saw the shade of blood. But when the actual battlefield came, Arjuna lost all his potentiality and told, I can't fight. क्षत्रिय अपना स्वधर्म को त्याग देने के लिए तैयार था. उसका कारण एक ही था, शोक. What was the reason for the grief? Delusion, attachment, etc. Vivade, Vishade. Pramad. Pramad is Brahm. संगात संजायते कामः काम क्रोध अभिजायते क्रोधात भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात स्मृति विभ्रमः. That the culmination of delusion and forgetting our own self, अपने मान के विषय में होश चले जाना. The culmination of two is called pramad. When we lose ourselves, it is not samadhi. It is negative aspect of samadhi. Not negative aspect, negative kind of samadhi. When we forget our own self, our parampara, our lineage, our education, our everything else, and we do something else out of attachment, that is pramad. Pravase. Whenever people are in the foreign country, either they win a lot or they lose a lot. Generally, people win something else. They think because monetary gain is there. And whenever people get their monetary gain, they forget who is the giver of everything else. Then pride and ego come first. I have made everything. I have made this business. Do you know, Swamiji? From zero I have made this. Nobody was there. Not even my parents. From the zero I made everything else. अरे मूर्ख, आदमी का क्षमता कितना है? How much power we are having, that we claim that we are the creator of everything else. One of my distant uncle, he was a very business chum. He used to make leather garments. Got Rashtrapati Award, Presidential Award for his successful business. He had no license to sell anything else in India. He used to sell everything else in the abroad. They were so rich, so rich, so rich. Can't imagine. More than 1,000 people used to work under his several factories. But you know that in childhood I have witnessed some mishap happens, some ships just drown in the sea and something, because I was very child, very kid, very tender on that time. You know, I have seen like traditional family, the women never used to come out. There were Gadi Baranda, the women were all in veil. They used to come down and just entered into the car. And when this mishap happens, within few months or within a year, the same women used to go out to do job. All the valor, all the vanities of life are transitory. What will happen when? Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Even the doctorate in cardiology, cardiac science, the doctor doesn't know when his heart will fail. Pravase means whenever we are in the peak of the success, never forget to contribute your reverence to him or her for whom you are here today. Jale anale. Jale means in the water, anale means in the fire. Parvate shatru madhye va aranye means either in the favorable situation or in the adverse situation. Sada prapahi. Pahi means protect me. Pahi mam, protect me. Prapahi, prakrishta rupena. Pahi, please protect me in all dimension, because gatiswam twameka bhavani. Oh Mother Bhavani, you are the only refuge for me. In strife or in sadness, in abroad or in danger, either in water or in fire, or in the wilds or on the mountains, surrounded by foes. O my Savior, protect me. In you is my only heaven of refuge. In you, my help and my strength, O Bhavani. This is one sorts of surrendering. There is one famous song when Swami Vivekananda was in Rajasthan, Khetri, and Khetri's king arranged a music program. So king, he had no idea. So he called a Baiji, lady musician. Swami Vivekananda, when realized, Hari, I am a sannyasi. How can I sit and enjoy a women's song, music and dance, which is mainly the rich people used to arrange to satisfy their lust. He just got up from his seat and started going out of the room. And that lady started one song. And Swamiji rolled in tears. That what mean-minded I am. The same concept of surrendering. What was the song? जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, तुझसे हमने दिल को लगाया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, एक तुझको अपना पाया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, सबका मकान दिल का मकीन तू, कौन सा दिल है जिसमें नहीं तू, हर एक दिल में है तू समाया, हर एक दिल में है तू समाया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, तुझसे हमने दिल को लगाया, क्या मलायक क्या इंसान, क्या हिंदू क्या मुसलमान, जैसे चाहा तूने मनाया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, काबा में क्या और देवल में क्या, तेरी परस्तिश होगी सब जहां, सबने तुझको सिर झुकाया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, अर्श से लेकर फर्श जमीन तक, अर्श से लेकर फर्श जमीन तक, और जमीन से अर्शवरी तक, जहां मैं देखा तू ही नजर आया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, सोचा समझा देख भला तू, सोच समझा देखा भाला, तू जैसा ना कोई ढूंढ निकाला। अब ये समझ में जफर की आया, जो कुछ है सो तू ही है, तुझसे हम दिल को लगा। That is the extreme point of surrenderingness. When the compassion comes, in Bengali also one song, দয়া ঘন তোমা হেন কে হিতকারী, দয়া ঘন তোমা হেন কে হিতকারী। And in that right, the devotee sings, प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित ना धरो, समदर्शी है नाम तिहारो, चाहे तो पार करो, चाहे तो पार करो। प्रभु मेरे अवगुण चित ना धरो, क्योंकि बेटा बाप को भी लात मारता है, अबूझ है, अबोध है, बाप उसको कुछ नहीं मानता। तेरा तुझको अर्पण क्या लागे मेरा। That sort of surrendering, if comes in our life, then only in any situation we can remember him. After the end of the Mahabharata Yuddha, when Bhagavan Sri Krishna went to Mata Kunti, Bhagavan told her, ask boons from me. I will give you today the boon. Mother Kunti prayed and asked the boon that if you really want to give me anything else, life after life, give me adverse situation, give me adverse situation. भगवान अगर तुम मुझे सच में कुछ देना चाहते हो तो मुझे जीवन भर विपद में रखो। Bhagavan was surprised to hear such boons. Why are you asking such boon? Because in adverse situation only I pray to you. I feel very close to you. That is the ultimate love and surrender to the Supreme Being. This sloka, this verse was the embodiment of that total surrendering to the Supreme Being. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम।